Hey everyone, today we're going to discuss the different model types that are available to you within Gemini, and we'll also do a couple of examples to show you how different prompts work within those different models. So let's jump right in. Now, available to you, you have Gemini 2.0, which is usually set as the default when you're inside of Gemini. This is your general purpose workhorse. So it's great for a wide variety of tasks like drafting emails, maybe summarizing text messages, or even if you wanted to translate a sentence from English to Spanish, you can do so here very quickly. You'll also find available to you the Gemini 2.5. Here you're going to think speed and efficiency as well, and you want to use this when you need quick answers or you need to process a high volume of simple requests. This is going to be your go-to for that. Now, the Gemini 2.5 Pro, you can utilize its advanced capabilities for tasks like analyzing data, maybe debugging code, or just generating comprehensive reports. Now, some may remember and may not because things are always changing. Inside of that drop down list as well, there used to be a deep research option that is no longer available as of probably last week or maybe a couple of days ago. It is available, so let me not say that, but it's available in a different place. So down at the bottom inside of the enter a prompt for Gemini box, you'll also now see deep research in there. In deep research, what you want to do is utilize this feature when you need to gather comprehensive information on a specific topic. It'll conduct a more thorough search and analysis, but you do want to make sure that you're providing clear and specific research questions to get the most relevant and insightful requests. And also be aware that the depth of research take time. So it's not really the quick and efficient, such as the 2.5 and 2.0. Even though it's within the 2.0, it's going to take some time to be able to generate that information back that you need. So just keep that in mind. Now, this may be ABC for some of the more advanced AI users out there, but prompts are always going to be the go-to. It's going to be the same no matter which model that you're using. You want to make sure that you're using effective prompts and correct prompts with enough information to be able to get back what you need. So again, your prompt should contain your persona. So identifying your role, you need to have an aim. So stating your objective. Who is your audience? You need to make sure that your recipients are clear. You need to have a theme and then a structure. So note the desired format of the output. How do you want the information to come back to you? Make sure that you indicate that. So now let's just look at some examples of what we can enter in to each of these different model types. Um, so with 2.0, which everybody now, if you've used Gemini, then you've used the 2.0 option and you've entered in prompts probably similar to this. Write a short email to faculty announcing a new update to our learning management system. Generate a list of 5 best practices for creating strong passwords. Translate the following sentence into Spanish. Please remember to save your work frequently. That's the sentence that we would want translated. It would go ahead and do that for us inside of 2.0. Let's look at 2.5. What are the troubleshooting steps for a printer that is not responding? Now, here you're aiming for a quick and direct answer. Now, it's not very specific. You can be specific and put in Sharp, Canon, or whatever your printer name is, but just in general, wide general topic. Hey, my printer's not working. I need your help. All right. List the steps to connect to the school's Wi-Fi network. It'll tell you pretty much how to connect probably to any network, or it may ask you, sure, I can help you with that. What type of device are you using? So it may fish for more information, but essentially it may just give you some quick steps to join a network just in general, period. Right. And what is the definition of phishing in one sentence? It'll indicate what it is that you're trying to search out, and then it should just give you that answer right back. Now, your 2.5 Pro, again, this is a little beefier version. So a prompt you may put in there may be analyze the provided students' performance data and identify any significant trends or areas where students are struggling across multiple subjects. Present your findings in a structured report with actionable recommendations. Now, here, what you're doing is you're leveraging its reasoning and data analysis capabilities. So you're looking for it to give you more in-depth information about what it is that you're searching for, and then you're telling it how you want that information to be given back to you. Another example would be develop a comprehensive cybersecurity awareness training module for faculty and staff, covering topics such as password security, phishing scams, and data protection best practices. Include quiz questions to assess understanding. So now what you're asking it to do is go out and challenge its ability to create detailed and informative content. And then you also asked it to provide a quiz for you. So it should be able to do that. Now, let's go over to our deep research prompt and let's take a look at that. So for a deep research prompt, you may say, find information on the latest trends and research in artificial intelligence applications for personalized learning in a K through 12 educational environment. Or you can just say in K through 12 education. This would task the AI with finding up-to-date information and potentially summarizing key advancements. So it's going deeper and it's looking. And again, it's not meant to be too quick. So it's going to go out, it's going to find that information, it's going to bring it back to you. It may ask you some more questions about what it is that you're looking for, so it can give you even more information. So just keep that in mind. Research successful strategies for providing technical support to teachers and students in a large K through 12 district with limited IT staff. And your aim here would be to identify practical and effective support models. So you're basically looking for, if I was entering this prompt as someone in IT, I would be looking for structured step-by-step or a structured step-by-step plan to kind of help me and help a small team, if I'm part of a small team, be able to support those that are around us in the best way possible. And that's it. That covers the Gemini model types. Give them a try. The best way to jump in and learn, essentially with AI, is just jumping in and learning. So you'll learn what to do. You'll learn what to tweak, what to say, how to say, take out this, add in that to be able to get you the response you're looking for. But definitely experiment with the different model types. If you have any relevant information or information that you feel would be relevant to faculty and staff, by all means, please respond to the email that's sent out and just put in your suggestions or put in what you tried out and just share your experiences. We definitely love to hear that because it will help us to be able to tailor content. And then also it may help someone else who may be struggling with a specific task that you're doing and that you're overcoming. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us, either email or submit a help desk ticket. And as always, we'll be right here to support. You guys take care.